Standardized patients are essential to clinical training, but no matter how skilled they are, they can't produce real heart murmurs, real lung crackles, real signs of bowel obstruction. They can act, but they can't produce real clinical findings. So programs settle for workarounds that break the realism. The first time learners hear an abnormal sound is often with a real patient. That changes now. Introducing Evo AuRA, a wearable device that delivers authentic auscultation sounds. Through standardized patients, murmurs, wheezes, crackles, bowel abnormalities, normal to critical. Controlled wirelessly in real time, so every learner hears the same sounds and every assessment stays consistent. New from Elevate Healthcare and the Evo ecosystem, Evo AuRA, authentic sounds, consistent assessment.